Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to compare the Vivo X100 Ultra versus Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, to not miss any new content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. And if you like any of the smartphones, the purchase links are in the video description. Without further ado, let's go straight to the video. Design, build, weight, dimensions, display, size, resolution, screen-to-body ratio, type, pixel density, refresh rate, colors and brightness, protection, dust and water resistant, rear camera, video recording, selfie camera, performance, chipset, CPU, GPU, operating system, Antutu benchmark, storage, RAM, internal memory, universal flash storage, card slot, battery, capacity, charging input, fast charging, wireless charging, reverse charging, connectivity, SIM card, Network. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Navigation. NFC. 3mm jack. Radio. Security. Fingerprint. Face ID. Result. Price. Hey, which one do you prefer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for similar content. Stay tuned for more videos. See you next time.